Talking about Table Notify today inside of POS Notify. And what this does is it allows you to add a table notification for a customer that comes into your restaurant. If you hit the add notification button, a box comes up for you to be able to add your patron's name that's coming in. And then you can put their cell phone number to it. And then you can tell them how big the party size is. And then you will hit complete, at which time it takes about 40 seconds to update the screen. You can also hit the close button and reopen the software, and it will update the screen for you. What happens here is it adds the name and the number of patrons that are going to be sitting at that table, the waiting time that they've had that in for, and then their phone number and how many times that you've sent them a message, a text message, to notify them that their table was ready. As you can see, Tammy's notification is ready. I can hit the send button, and then within about 10 seconds, her phone's going to go off, which is right here, and it's going to show you what happens. This is an update screen. It takes about 10 seconds to flow through. It'll read back through. As you noticed, her text message went off. Inside of the text message, we can see it, and there it is. Party of 6, Tammy, we're ready to seat your party. It also changed the cent count on Tammy's notification to 1, which leaves us at 0 minutes. This cent count is going to increase every time we hit the send button. Takes about 10 seconds to change over. Notice I just got a second text message on the screen for her to come seat at her table with her party. When the party does come and get sat, you can hit the complete button on her table, and that takes her off the screen, and we still have just the 3 left in order to be sat. That's what Table Notify does for you. Thank you for your time.